How to use MoviePass. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up MoviePass either on your laptop or PC or on your mobile device. After that, you need to sign up for a plan. After signing up for a plan, you would be getting some credits. Depending on your plan, you would get the credits, and using those credits, you can purchase any particular movie show on any particular time. The credits will vary for a particular show depending on the demand for that particular show and the movie that is going to show. You can go with various plans out there. They have 3 different plans over here, like the basic plan, standard one, and the premium one. The price is different for all these plans, and also you get the different credits. You get 34 credits for basic plan and you get 72 credits for a standard plan. You can watch up to 2 to 4 movies for a standard plan, and it's completely up to you whenever you want to watch a movie. And if in case you're not able to use all your credits for a particular month, then these credits will roll over to the next month, and you can store double the amount of credits that are there for you for a particular plan. Suppose you are going with the basic plan and you have 34 credits. Now, if you are not able to use these credits for a particular month, then these credits will roll over to the next month. Now, for the next month, you will have 68 credits. But again, if you are not able to use these credits, then for the third month, your credits will expire and you will not get more than 68 credits for that particular month. This is how it will work. Simply select any particular show, then either you can go with the e-ticketing if the e-tickets are available for that particular show. You can also go to that particular theater and then buy the tickets using the credits of your MoviePass. And this is how it will work. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.